And now we have the day with us. So we begin the day by praying to God, asking Him to bless us, to be with us during our classes and help us with everything. Right? So all of you join your hands, close your eyes. Arna, I want you in front of the camera, not your parents, please. Arna Maurya. Okay. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. So once again, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your English class. Now, yesterday I had told you, Vaishnavi, now you can relax.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You've already wished me, Hriday.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vaishnavi. Now, once I say good morning, I'm wishing each and every one. Okay, so you don't have to switch on your mic and keep saying good morning, ma'am. Some children are still joining. Let them come. Right. So, all of you first fold your hands straight like this. Smart. Let me see the smart children. Fold your hands. Your hands. Fold them. And today we are going to do English literature. I told you yesterday English is divided into two parts, language and literature. Now in class 1 you're going to study language and literature, English separately. So we are going to do today literature. And I told you literature, it deals with stories, poems, dramas. So today the first lesson from your treetop book, it is a very interesting poem. Now all of you open your books to page number 9. Open your treetop books to page number 9. This is your this is your treetop book. Give me a thumbs up, all of you ready? Everyone has this book? All right. So open your books to page number 9. Page number 9. Please look here. You have the poem given over there. Numbers. You have the poem given over there. Numbers. Now before the poem begins, there's a little exercise given here for you. All of you know your numbers? Thumbs up. Do you know your numbers? Okay. And the numbers on the number line begin with 0. Here we have some numbers given here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you have 9. Now what you have to do, you have to match each number to its name. Visual, stop presenting, child. You have accidentally touched the present button. Visual, you have accidentally touched the present button. Stop presenting. So now this exercise, you have to match each number to its name. So all of you take a pencil in your hand and a ruler, a scale. All of you have a pencil and scale with you? All of you have a pencil and scale with you? Your pencil box is nearby? Very good. Now pick up your pencil, pick up your ruler and match the numbers with the spellings. Now one by one I'm going to ask you. Vaishnavi, what is the spelling of 1? Number names you have done in KG class?
O-N-E-1.
O-N-E-1. Very good. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Children, look for O-N-E-1 and draw a line using a scale. Number 1, you will match with the spelling, the name O-N-E-1. Aradhya, you're doing it? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, that's it. All right. Now, next number 0. And the spelling of 0 is... Now, let me see who's going to tell me. Syed Ali, can you tell me?
Ma'am, Z-E-R-O 0.
Inaya, did I call out your name, child?
Okay, ma'am.
Syed Ali, Altamash, spell 0.
Z-E-R-O.
Z-E-R-O. Okay, thank you. Now, children, match. Draw a line. Z-E-R-O. Use a ruler and draw the line. प्रांजलि, मुझे आपको काम करते देखना है बेटे, मम्मी को नहीं. जब तक बच्चे अपने आप करेंगे नहीं, पेरेंट्स प्लीज एक बात समझ लीजिए, बच्चे नहीं सीखेंगे. आप लोग जब तक उन्हें सीखने का मौका नहीं देंगे, बच्चे नहीं सीख पाएंगे, इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं बन पाएंगे आपके बच्चे. नहीं बेटे, आप अपने आप करिए. पहली बार करेंगे, लाइन टेढ़ी बनेगी, कोई बात नहीं, आप अपने आप करिए. जब करेंगे तभी सीखेंगे.
जब मैं ड्राइंग करता हूँ तो अपने आप स्केल यूज करता हूँ.
All right, Shubh. Now you don't have to switch on the mic. बार बार अपने आप बीच में माइक ऑन नहीं करना है आपको. All right. The next, Meher, spell 9. What is the spelling of 9, Meher?
N-I-N-E 9.
N-I-N-E 9. Very good. Children, look for N-I-N-E 9 and draw a line there. Look for N-I-N-E 9. Who has joined from Shivdhar Mishra? Give me your name, child.
Shivansh Mishra.
Yes, Shivansh. Now tell me the spelling of 5. Shivansh.
F-I-V-E. F-I-V-E.
All right, F-I-V-E. Thank you, Shivansh. Children, look for the spelling F-I-V-E and draw a line. Match the number to its name. Hayat, can you please tell me the spelling of 3? Hayat, mic on kariye and tell me the spelling of 3.
T-H-R-E-E 3.
Very good. T-H-R-E-E 3. Look for the spelling, children, and draw a line there. Rishita.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me the spelling of 6.
S-I-X 6.
Very good. S-I-X 6. Children, look for S-I-X 6 and draw a line there. Nipun, can you tell me the spelling of 4? Mike, your mic is off.
F-O-U-R.
All right, thank you. F-O-U-R 4. And you need to push your hair at the back every day. You need to brush your hair nicely. F for
Ma'am,
you are
please.
for.
Ma'am, please see mine.
Yes, Pranjali, I can see.
Ma'am, I'm done my work.
Children, when you finish, you don't have to switch on the mic and start saying, "Ma'am, I have finished." You can just lift your book and show it to me. I can see it on the screen. Okay, good. Hardik, what is the spelling of two?
Two. TWO.
TWO2. All right. Thank you, Hardik. So, children, match the last number also with its spelling. Now, very good. All of you have finished your work. That's very good. So, clap for yourselves. Let's all clap for ourselves. All good children finished work on time. Clap for yourselves, all of you. Very good. Smart children. Inaya is not clapping. What happened? Okay. Now turn the page. Put your pencils down. Come to page number 10. Yes, Arav, I have seen everybody's work. Now you can put your book down. Open to page number 10. Come to the poem. And fold your hands. Sit back straight. Now this poem has been written by Elizabeth Maddox Roberts. Elizabeth Maddox Roberts is the name of the poet who has written, जिसने ये poem लिखी है उनका नाम है Elizabeth Maddox Roberts. Right? Elizabeth Maddox Roberts has written the poem, and here she's talking about all the numbers. जब आप नर्सरी क्लास में थे, छोटे से बेबी थे आप, मम्मी आपको नंबर्स सिखाती थी, फिंगर्स पे काउंट करती थी मम्मी, 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे करके मम्मी सिखाती थी ना. स्कूल में मैम भी सिखाती थी. और जब आपको नंबर्स आ गए, जब आपने नंबर्स सीख लिए, तब आप क्या करते थे? जल्दी जल्दी सब चीज़ें काउंट करने लगते थे. यस और नो? कहीं पे भी जाते, कोई भी चीज जाती दिखती थी, जल्दी जल्दी काउंट करते थे. अगर बैग में बुक्स है तो काउंट करते थे 1 2 3 4 5. मम्मी मेरे पास 5 बुक्स है. अगर पेंसिल बॉक्स में पेंसिल ज्यादा है तो काउंट करते थे 1 2 3. मम्मी मेरे पास 3 पेंसिल्स है. ऐसे जल्दी जल्दी काउंट करके बहुत हैप्पी होते थे ना, बिकॉज यू न्यू योर नंबर्स. So the poet is telling us in this that when you know your numbers, जब आपको numbers आ जाते हैं.
Ma'am, 1 से 100 तक.
शुभ, मैंने आपको कल भी समझाया था, बीच में बोलने की आदत बहुत खराब है बेटे. When the teacher is talking, बड़े बात कर रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं, तो बीच में नहीं इंटरप्ट करते हैं. अगर अपनी बात कुछ बोलनी है तो सिर्फ हैंड्स रेज करने हैं. So when you know your numbers, you can count everything, and sometimes you even tried counting the stars, I'm sure. कभी कभी जब आप छत पे, जिसके घर में छत है, या बाहर आप कहीं घूम रहे हैं शाम को, रात में, when you can see the stars, तब आपका मन करता था कि हम स्टार्स भी ऐसे करके काउंट करें. और मम्मी से बोलते थे, मम्मी मैंने इतने स्टार्स काउंट कर लिए. यस, करा है कभी ये सब? Have you done all this? Have you tried out all this? Give me a thumbs up if you have. You've tried out all this. Okay. So same thing we are going to study in this poem. The poem first, I'm going to read the full poem very nicely. Listen carefully line by line. Put your finger on the first line. And listen carefully. जिस तरह से मैम रीड कर रही है उसी तरह से आपको भी पोएम को रीड करना है, उसके बाद लर्न करना है. आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू द डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स. जो न्यू वर्ड्स, डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं, आई विल बी सेंडिंग देम टू यू. यू विल राइट देम इन योर लिटरेचर कॉपी and learn them up. I will send you a list of words today. You will write them very neatly in your literature copies and learn. Now all of you ready? Open your books to page number 10. Give me a thumbs up. All right. Now I want to show you the picture of Elizabeth Maddox Roberts, who has written the poem. See here. Can you see? Give me a thumbs up if you can. Okay. Now she has written this poem and we are going to see what she has written in the poem, what she is trying to tell us. Numbers by Elizabeth Maddox Roberts. When I can count the numbers far and know all the figures that there are, then I'll know everything and I can know about the ground and sky. And all the little bugs I see, and I'll count the leaves on the silver leaf tree. And all the days that ever can be. I'll know all the cows and sheep that pass, and I'll know all the grass and all the places far away, and I'll know everything someday. All right, now I'm going to explain the poem to you. Did you all hear? Did you all hear how ma'am was reading? Did you hear? Nod your head and give me a thumbs up. Nod your head. Did you hear? All right. So all of you heard the way ma'am was reading. Very good. You also have to read the poem in the same way. It says, when I can count the numbers far and know all the figures that there are. Figures means the numbers. Figures means all the numbers. जब हमें सारे numbers आ जाएंगे तो हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. जब हमें सारे numbers आ जाएंगे तो हम क्या क्या count कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. This is what the poetess is telling in the poem. Then I'll know everything. And I can know about the ground and sky. She says, when I will know the numbers, then I will know everything on the ground also and everything in the sky. That is, she can count everything. And all the little bugs I see. Bugs are all the little insects, all the creatures. Chote creatures, insects hote hai na. You'll have seen the flies. You'll have seen flies. You'll have seen a mosquito. You'll have seen the beetle, ladybird. Pictures तो देखे होंगे आपने. Pictures देखे होंगे. Ladybird. What color is the ladybird? Can anybody tell me? If you know the answer, raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Omash. Omash? Yes. What color is the ladybird? Red and black. It's a red one with black dots. Okay, very good. So that is a bug. इसी तरह के जितने भी insects and creatures हैं. So when you know numbers, then you can count. And I'll count the leaves on the silver leaf tree. Now silver leaf. Silver leaf tree here means, कभी कभी क्या होता है, आपने पेड़ देखे होंगे, ट्रीज देखे होंगे, उसमें जो लीव्स होती है उसमें वाइट कलर का फंगस लग जाता है, लीव्स खराब हो जाती हैं, वाइट कलर का फंगस लग जाता है. सो द पोएटेस इज ट्राइंग टू टेल अस इन दिस लाइन ओवर हियर इन द पोएम. शी सेज, जब मुझे नंबर्स काउंट करने आ जाएंगे ना, तो हम ट्रीज पे जितनी लीव्स हैं वो काउंट कर सकते हैं, और हम ये भी काउंट कर सकते हैं कौन कौन सी लीफ पे सिल्वर लाइनिंग है, सिल्वर लीफ है, उस पे व्हाइट कलर का वो जो लाइन आ जाती है, शी इज ट्राइंग टू से दैट इट इज silver leaf. So you can count which leaf is silver, which has turned whitish, silverish, and which leaf is green. You will only know all this when you know your numbers. When you know your numbers very well, you can count everything. And all the days that ever can be. You can count all the days also. Vijwal, sit straight, don't play with your eyes. I'll know all the cows and sheep that pass. Now you can see the picture. It's a beautiful picture of a farm. You can count all the cows, all the other animals, all the sheep. Supposing if you are going somewhere on the road, you can see who has joined from Saima Bank ID. Who has joined from Saima Bank ID? Please give me your name. साइमा बैंक की आईडी से किसने ज्वाइन करा है? माइक ऑन करके नाम बताइए अपना. Child, hurry up, tell me your name. माइक ऑन करिए बेटे, टाइम बहुत वेस्ट हो जा रहा है ऐसे. What is your name? Yes?
मोहम्मद हसन.
मोहम्मद हसन. आप क्लास में बैठे हैं बेटे या बेडरूम में सो रहे हैं? क्लास अटेंड करना है आपको, सीधे बैठना है. आपकी बुक आपके सामने है. Do you have your book in front of you? Then please sit straight and pay attention. Fold your hands, sit straight, pay attention. All right, children. So when you know the numbers, you can count all the animals. Supposing if you are going anywhere on the road, sometimes what happens, road पे आपको कुछ चीजें दिखती है तो आप वो भी काउंट करने लगते हैं. मम्मी के साथ में कहीं पे जा रहे हैं, पापा के साथ में कहीं पे जा रहे हैं, रोड पर कुछ भी दिखता है आप जल्दी जल्दी काउंट करने लगते हैं. कभी कभी अगर आप ट्रेन में कहीं पे जा रहे हैं तो ट्रेन की विंडो के पास से अगर आपको ट्रीज दिखते हैं, देन यू स्टार्ट काउंटिंग द ट्रीज. You do all these things? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up if you do it. Okay, that's nice. So when you know the numbers, children, then we can do many things. We can do a lot of things. We can count everything and I'll know all the grass. You can see the beautiful grass in the garden. Then and all the places far away and I'll know everything someday. So the poetess says, when I'll know numbers, I will know everything. एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब मुझे सब कुछ आ जाएगा, सब चीजें मैं काउंट करना सीख जाऊंगी, सब कुछ मुझे रिकग्नाइज करना आ जाएगा. So very important to know your numbers, right? Now once again I'm going to read the poem. All of you, I want to see your lips moving. I want to see your lips moving. Okay, you will hear very carefully. I will send you the audio in the group today. क्लास ग्रुप में हम ऑडियो सेंड करेंगे, आप उसको सुन के उसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, लर्न करेंगे पोयम को. इंग्लिश लिटरेचर, आई विल बी सेंडिंग द वर्ड्स. लिटरेचर की कॉपी नंबर 2. रौनक इंग्लिश लिटरेचर कॉपी इज विच नंबर? 2. Very good. So in copy number 2, you will put the heading. जैसे मैम ने काम सेंड करेंगी उसी तरह काम आप साफ साफ करेंगे और स्पेलिंग्स को लर्न करेंगे, पोएम को भी लर्न करेंगे. Now listen very carefully to the poem. Numbers by Elizabeth Maddox Roberts. When I can count the numbers far and know all the figures that there are, then I'll know everything and I can know about the ground and sky and all the little bugs I see. And I'll count the leaves on the silver leaf tree and all the days that ever can be. I'll know all the cows and sheep that pass, and I'll know all the grass and all the places far away, and I'll know everything someday. Now, for your homework, remember you will learn the poem very nicely, you will read it very nicely, you will learn the spellings. Now, sit straight, let me take your attendance. Sit straight, all of you. Let me take your attendance, children, first. Remember to answer loud and clear. Anya Nigam. Arav Maurya.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ansh Francis. Aradhya Shivastav.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Astha Tripathi. Astha Tripathi. Christopher Massey. Ayat Fatima Rizvi. Hardik Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Hayat Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Inaya Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Kriday Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Krishita Sumani.
Present, ma'am.
All right. Mahira Fazal. Mahira Fazal. Manjeet Verma.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Meher Fatima Naqvi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Mohammad Arham.
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Hassan. Mohammad
Yes,
Hassan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Nipun Giri.
Yes, ma'am.
Oman Shagarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Pranjali Singh. Pranjali Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ronak Rastogi. All right. Ria.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rudraksh Sandil. Rudraksh. Sakina Abbas. Sakina Abbas.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, Sakina, you have to answer quickly, child. Shivansh Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shubh Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
All right. Syed Muhammad Ali Altamash.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Syed Muhammad Wali. Okay. Vaishnavi Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Vihan Tiwari. Vijwal Mehra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now, for your homework, remember children, you will do your work very neatly. I will be sending you the work in the class group. You will learn up the spellings and the poem. Spellings very important. Saturday ko I will be taking your स्पेलिंग्स डिक्टेशन लेंगे हम, वर्ड्स आप लोगों को लिखने के लिए भी दे सकते हैं, ओरली भी पूछ सकते हैं। तो जितनी स्पेलिंग्स आज हम सेंड करेंगे, यू विल लर्न अप ऑल द स्पेलिंग्स वेरी नाइसली। Your studies have started. Take them seriously, children. Begin your work. Make sure that you're studying very nicely, regularly, and doing your work on your own. अब आप नर्सरी केजी में नहीं हैं, अब आप बड़े हो गए हैं ना। Give me a thumbs up. How many of you feel you have grown big? किसको किसको लगता है कि अब आप बड़े बच्चे हो गए, क्लास 1 में आ गए? आराध्या, आपको नहीं लगता है? प्रांजलि, आपको नहीं लगता अब आप बड़ी हो गई है, क्लास 1 में है? सो अपने काम खुद करना है। जब तक आप करेंगे नहीं तब तक सीखेंगे नहीं। सो लर्न टू बी स्मार्ट चिल्ड्रन, इंडिपेंडेंट चिल्ड्रन। क्लास 1 में हम लोग सब चीज सीखेंगे अपने आप करना। ओके? मम्मी पापा को भी तो थोड़ा सा रेस्ट चाहिए ना। नर्सरी केजी में बहुत मेहनत करी मम्मी पापा ने आपके साथ। अब आपको अपना काम खुद करना सीखना है। टाइम टेबल क्लास ग्रुप में हम पोस्ट करते हैं। यू हैव टू सी द टाइम टेबल एंड यू हैव टू टेक आउट योर बुक्स एंड बी रेडी। नाउ Meher will tell me what do you have in the next period today? Meher? Maths you have in the next period. Okay, that's very good. So you're going to be ready with your maths book in the next period, all of you?
Math.
Only one child I asked to answer. Okay, so next period you will be ready with your maths book. Give me a thumbs up, all of you. Hayat, take your finger out of your mouth, sit straight, smartly. Krishita, look in front. All right, so now you can take your break. We finished with your English class. We'll meet again in the second period for maths. Be ready with your maths books. Right, take your break. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.